Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If your Binance account is still in a basic setup stage, like a bank account that hasn't been fully activated for online banking or withdrawals, to unlock full features like deposits, withdrawals, and better security, you need to complete the setup properly. Start with security. Binance will ask you to enable two factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of protection. Every login will require your password plus a code from your phone. You can use SMS or an app like Google Authenticator, but the app is much safer. SMS can be hacked through SIM swapping, while Google Authenticator generates changing codes every 30 seconds directly on your phone, making it far more secure. To set it up, download the app, scan the QR code from Binance, and save your backup key safely online. This key is important if you ever lose your phone. Next step is an anti phishing code. This is a secret word that appears in all official Binance emails. If an email doesn't show this code, it's fake and likely a scam. After that, your account is much more secure and ready to use. On the dashboard, you will see options like wallet, buy crypto, and trade. Your wallet holds all your money and crypto under fiat and spot. Finally, the last step before trading or withdrawing is identity verification (KYC), which unlocks full account access. Thanks for watching.